17. How does the author connect ideas in paragraphs 3 and 4 to support the point that archaeologists consider Chaco Canyon one of the most amazing cities of its time? So we're looking at paragraphs 3 and 4, and we're going to figure out how are the ideas in those paragraphs connected to show that Chaco Canyon is one of the most amazing cities of its time. And at this point, answering all these questions, I have looked back at these paragraphs so many times, but I am still going to look back at paragraphs 3 and 4 to help me figure this one out. So A says, the author describes the Chaco Canyon buildings in both paragraph 3 and paragraph 4. So let's go look at that. If I look at paragraph 3, Paragraph 3 does talk about buildings, the government buildings. It talks about the great houses. It talks about Pueblo Bonito. It talks about like the walls of Pueblo Bonito. It talks about how they built that whole building without tools. So paragraph 3 is about buildings. Let's see if paragraph 4 is also about buildings. Whenever I look at paragraph 4 is not just about buildings. It mentions a food storage center. It mentions new roads that they had, right? It also mentions an irrigation system. So because of all of that, A is not the correct answer, okay? Because the author does not describe the buildings in 3 and 4, just in 3. Okay. The author describes the food storage and irrigation systems in Chaco Canyon in both 3 and 4. Well, that's not right because we just looked back. Paragraph 3 is all about the buildings. Paragraph 4 is about food storage and irrigation. But paragraph 3, nope. Paragraph 3 was all about the buildings. So they're not both about that. C, the author shares a reason the city is amazing in paragraph 3 and then adds additional reasons in paragraph 4. Well, you know what? In paragraph 3, they talk about how cool that big, amazing building is, which is one amazing reason. And then in paragraph 4, they add on the food storage system, the irrigation system, and the roads. So I think C could be an option. D says, the author explains how buildings were made in paragraph 3 and then shows how they were used in paragraph 4. Well, this part's true. The author does explain how they were made in paragraph 3. He does do that. But in paragraph 4, it does not show how they were used. It tells in paragraph 3 how they were used. Right? So if I look back at paragraph 3 one more time, 3, remember we actually had a question about this. 3 shows how they were used. They were used for special celebrations and meetings, right? And then in paragraph 4, it doesn't talk about how that building is used. It talks about, remember again, it talks about an irrigation system, and it talks about a food storage system, and it talks about roads. So that means that we're correct whenever we think that the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. In paragraph 3, they share one amazing reason, and in paragraph 4, they give additional or more.